Are you ready to discover an incredible way to earn money effortlessly? Well, get ready to be amazed because I have an extraordinary AI bot that will change the way you think about making money online. Imagine earning $5 every 15 seconds without leaving the comfort of your own home or breaking a sweat. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But I assure you it's real. In fact, I'm about to unveil how this revolutionary AI bot is transforming the world of online earning. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can earn $5 every 15 seconds with AI. Let's dive right into it. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest money-making tips and tricks. And if you find this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now, let's jump into the exciting world of AI-powered earnings. Looking for a tool that effortlessly helps you create exceptional videos in no time? Well, look no further than Victory. This incredible online tool is designed to assist you in crafting both short and long-form videos for social media platforms within minutes. What sets Victory apart from others? Well, first and foremost, it's incredibly user-friendly. Even if you have no prior experience with video editing or production, you'll find it a breeze to navigate the platform and create professional-looking videos. With a wide range of templates and customization options, including various video formats, aspect ratios, and the ability to add images, graphics, voiceovers, subtitles, and text overlays, Victory allows you to unleash your creativity and make your videos truly unique. Say goodbye to complicated editing software and time-consuming processes. Victory simplifies it all, so you can focus on creating engaging content. Now that we've explored the capabilities of Victory, let's move on to step 1 of our tutorial, signing up for Pick3. Pick3 is a platform where Victory resides, and it's where you'll create your account to start using this powerful AI tool. Are you ready? Great, let's get started. To create your Pick3 account, simply visit the pick3.ai website and look for the enticing Get Started for Free button. Click on it and you'll be taken on a page where you can enter your first and last name, email address, and create a password. Oh, and here's a little tip to make things more simple for you. Feel free to use my referral code, DAVE45, to get started. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click on the Continue button to complete the sign-up. After signing up, Pick3 wants to know your primary video goal. This step is important because it allows Pick3 to personalize your experience based on your specific needs. If you're using Victory for your own personal projects, go ahead and select Personal Use. On the other hand, if you're utilizing it for business or another organization, choose the option that best aligns with your objectives. Victory might also ask about your organization, but if you're a solo content creator like many individuals are today, simply select Solo. This way, Victory understands that you're the sole user of the platform, enabling them to tailor their recommendations to your unique situation. Now that you have your Pick3 account set up, it's time to dive into step 2, utilizing the Script to Video tool. Brace yourself because this is where the real magic happens. As soon as you land on the Script to Video page, you'll be greeted by an empty box, eagerly waiting for your creative ideas. This is your canvas to unleash your imagination and start brainstorming concepts for your video script. Don't be afraid to be innovative and showcase your unique voice and style. This is your opportunity to create something truly unique. All right, it's time to take those brilliant script ideas of yours and transform them into a complete article using the fantastic AI-powered writing tool called WriteSonic. This tool is going to make generating high-quality content a breeze. Trust me. To get started, head over to the WriteSonic website at writesonic.com. Once you get there, you'll discover a treasure trove of remarkable tools that will be your trusty companions on your content creation journey. But for now, let's focus on the AI article writer tool, which is perfect for this step. WriteSonic's AI article writer is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. All you have to do is input your script ideas and let the magic happen. Let's say you're working on a video script about 5 tips to improve your credit score. With WriteSonic, it's as easy as pie. Just follow the straightforward steps provided by WriteSonic. Start by acquiring keyword ideas that will help optimize your article for search engines. Then, let WriteSonic guide you through crafting an engaging introduction that hooks your readers from the get-go. Next, create an outline that structures your article and ensures a smooth flow of information. And finally, let WriteSonic generate the complete article based on your script ideas. All right. Now it's time to bring your complete script to life and turn it into a captivating video using Pick3's amazing AI-powered video creation tool. Trust me, this part is where the real magic happens. To get started, all you need is to paste your script into the designated box that's provided by the script to video tool. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Proceed button to kickstart the process. Now here's where the fun begins. Pictory will present you with a wide range of templates to choose from. Take your time and explore all the options available until you find the one that perfectly matches the content and style of your video. Remember, you want to create a video that stands out and grabs your viewers' attention. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to select a ratio for your video. If you're creating short-form content like we are here, a recommended ratio is 9:6. This ratio works perfect for platforms such as YouTube Shorts and other social media platforms where short videos thrive. So keep that in mind when making your selection. Now with your template and ratio in place, go ahead and click on that exciting Continue button and let Pictory work its magic. In just a matter of minutes, you'll witness the power of Pictory as it generates a fully fledged video based on your script and template choices. It's truly incredible how fast and efficient this AI-powered tool really is. But wait, there's more. Pictory doesn't stop there. It offers extensive editing options that allow you to make your video truly unique and tailored to your liking. Take this opportunity to preview your video and make any necessary edits or adjustments. Add extra text, include captivating images, incorporate voiceovers, subtitles. Heck, you can even let your creativity run wild and add more elements to make your video stand out from the crowd. Congratulations on creating an incredible video using Pictory and Write Sonic. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world and start earning money. One awesome way to do this is by using YouTube Shorts. Have you heard of it? It's a relatively new feature on YouTube that's perfect for creators just like you. With YouTube Shorts, you can upload short-form videos that are 60 seconds or less. It's designed to capture your viewers' attention quickly and keep them engaged. So, once you start posting your videos on YouTube Shorts, here's the secret sauce. Focus on constantly sharing content that really connects with your viewers. You want to provide value and create a community of loyal followers. The more you engage and resonate with your audience, the more they'll keep coming back for more. Now, here comes the exciting part. Once you've built up a substantial following, it's time to monetize your videos and turn your passion into profit. But how? Well, by joining a YouTube Partner program. As a YouTube partner, you can earn money for the content you produce. Now, doesn't that sound amazing? You'll start seeing those dollars roll in as your videos gain more views and engagement. But wait, there's even more. You can also explore affiliate marketing opportunities to maximize your earnings. What's affiliate marketing? It's a way for you to promote products related to the content of your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To find relevant affiliate products, I recommend checking out ClickBank. It's an online marketplace that will connect you with product owners. Just search for Increased Credit Score, and you'll discover a list of products you can promote. Choose the ones that align best with your audience needs and interests. Now this is the fun part. It's time to promote and earn. Make sure to distribute your videos far and wide, reaching as many potential customers as possible. And don't forget to prominently display your affiliate links in your content. The more people who click on your links and make purchases, the more commissions you earn. That concludes today's video on how to earn $5 every 15 seconds with AI. Hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest money-making tips and tricks. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to check out more videos on the screen.